Hello students, welcome to Talk on Civil Engineering. Let us discuss how we can design the super elevation. So before going to the design of super elevation, let us see the maximum values of super elevation as per IRC. So Emax. So Emax if it is for a plain terrain, the maximum value is 7%, and for a hilly terrain, 10% is a maximum value, and for urban roads, so it is the 4%. Okay, and coming to the lateral friction, F, that is lateral frictional coefficient. Okay, so the maximum value is 0.15. Okay, so remember these values. Okay, so coming to the design steps. So for the first step, so step 1, we will be considering the mixed traffic. So mixed traffic in the sense all the different vehicles will be moving on the road. Okay, so trucks, lorries, buses, cars, motorcycles, auto rickshaws, అన్ని mixed అయి ఒకటే single road use చేస్తుంటే that is called mixed traffic. Okay, so for a mixed traffic conditions will take 75% of design speed. Okay, so that means here V will be 0.75 of V. Okay, and this is one consideration, and we'll assume the lateral friction coefficient is 0. Okay, so F is equal to 0 and V is equal to 75%, right? So what is the formula? E plus F is equal to V square by GR. So this is actual formula. So from this, F is 0 and V is 75% of V, right? So it will be E plus 0 is equal to 0.75 V square divided by GR. So using this formula, we'll find out what is E. You know, G is the acceleration due to gravity, and R is the radius of curve. Okay, and V is the design speed. These values will be known, and here you will find out what is E value. So if E that you have calculated is less than E max, then you can provide whatever the E that you have calculated. Then provide E calculated is safe. Okay, so E value మీరు ఎంతైతే calculate చేస్తారో if you provide that, it is safe. In case if E calculated is greater than E max, so then it is not safe. You have to go for the further design procedure. So you'll go for the step 2. Okay, so in step 2, we'll take E as E max, the maximum value of E will take, and we'll take the design speed as V itself. Okay, so we'll take the design speed and we'll find out what is the F value. Okay, so here the formula will be E, this is E max plus F is equal to V square by GR. Okay, so from this, what is E max value? It is 7%, right? So it will be 0.07, right? And from this we'll get F calculated. So if F calculated, or the lateral friction that is calculated, is less than the maximum value, so what is the maximum value? Maximum value is 0.15, right? So if it is less than this value, then with the you can provide maximum. So provide E max is safe. Okay, So if you provide the maximum super elevation, that is safe for the design speed. Okay. And the lateral friction is whatever that you have calculated. Okay. So in case if F calculated is greater than the F maximum value. Okay. So then it is not safe. Then it is not safe even if you provide the maximum super elevation. So at that case, you have to go for the step 3. So in step 3, since even you are providing the maximum values also, it is not being satisfied. So what you have to do, we have to reduce the speed. Okay na? So maximum super elevation provide చేసినాము అయినా condition satisfy కావట్లేదు. So even lateral friction కూడా మనం maximum కంటే తక్కువ ప్రొవైడ్ చేసినా కూడా it is not satisfying. So for that case, we have to reduce the speed. Okay. So here we'll fix the maximum values. E is equal to E max and F will be F max. And we'll find out what is the design speed that we need to provide. Okay. So here your formula will be E max plus F max is equal to V square by GR. Okay. So if you substitute the values for a plain terrain, so it will be 0.07 E max value and F max value is 0.15 V square by GR. Okay, so 0.07 plus 0.15 will be around 0.22. So it will be 0.22 is equal to V square by GR, and if you again simplify this, it will be equal to V square is equal to under root 0.22 GR. Okay, so this is this much speed you have to provide on the road if both the steps are not satisfied. Step 1 and step 2 is not satisfied, and you have to go for the step 3. That in step 3 you have to reduce the design speed to V. Okay, so provide E max and F max and the speed is equal to V that you have calculated. Okay, so this is how you will perform the design for the super elevation from the given values, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you all.